Woo, fam, that's what music is supposed to sound like. What's good with it? It's your Kinfo Dookie back again with Bang. Bunch of the new gear reviews to get the best bang for your tech dollars. I heard all the hype, I heard all the reviews, and I was just like, it's another pair of truly wireless earbuds. Short review, the FIIL T1X, fire. Flames, emojis, it's real. Now, taking these out of the box, if you want to know some of the specs, I have put them down on the screen. As we open it up, you're greeted with the earbuds and the case. From my first thought, I didn't think much. The style, the look, nothing blew me away. It just kind of was another pair of truly wireless earbuds. You do get a nice little handy quick start sheet that gives you some of the functions. The rest of the packaging is pretty standard fare. You get some more ear tips and wings. Also, these are USB-C, which is good to know. It's 2020, man. USB-C everything. Now, taking a look at the case itself, it's a pretty standard truly wireless earbud case. It has a nice bit of size, but it's not too big. It'll fit in your pockets. It fits in my pockets. I like the little branding that they have up front. You get USB-C charging here on the back. Open it up, they sit in there easily. You don't have to worry about putting them in there in some certain specific way that they're going to touch the contacts. You just drop them in and you're good to go, which is always a plus. Now, when it comes to the fit of the earbuds, I gotta say, man, I really think this is probably like my preferred style. Also, you have a wing here at the top that'll help it keep place in your ear. Now, they fit in my ear pretty good. I haven't had any issues with them falling out. Now, they may get loose over time of just long extended use, but for the most part, they fit in my ear pretty good. These form a really good seal in my ears, better than a lot of other earbuds. So I'm really excited by the feel. They just really fit in my ear really well. Now, back to the case, you do have the extended charging feature. These do offer 2 times quick charge, and they have a quick charge feature. So if you just need to get a little boost before you hit the gym or anything like that, you should be good to go. Now, when it comes to connectivity, I've used these all in around my house. I don't live in a huge, massive house, just a small little apartment, but walking around, just putting the case down or having my phone in another room, going from room to room, I've had no connection issues. I actually walked outside to my car, which is probably about 30-40 feet away. I was pretty surprised at how far I was able to go before everything started to cut out on me. Now, one of the things that I often forget to talk about is phone call quality. I have taken calls on here, and for the most part, it sounds pretty good. And nobody has complained on the other end that I sounded far away or distant. This is just a recording using the headphones to give you an idea. I know that is not the full quality, but it will give you an idea of just how clean it should sound when you're trying to use these to make phone calls. So when I do these reviews, I honestly like to give a little bit of information because somebody who may just be clicking on this video has never heard of this brand might want some more information. But what I really want to do is just get to what the most important thing is. How do they sound when you're listening to your music? And fam, when I hear a pair like this, I wonder 2 things. Am I getting ripped off by other earbud makers, or did they find some sort of magic that just can't seem to be replicated by other vendors? I do not understand how a pair of headphones sounds this good that's not 100, 150, 200 or better. Like, let's... Oh no! Say hi, Lena. You want to come? Get in the shot. Say hi. You a killer? Get at me, dog. So as I was saying, I do not understand how these could be so cheap and sound so good compared to other headphones that I've tried. And some of those extra features that, you know, they tout on those other headphones, I don't know if they really all that extra. So let's get down to the nitty gritty of it. 1 second though, I want to listen to some music right quick. Woo! Oh, those guitars coming in so I love this song, man. Honestly, I've seen Gary Clark do this song more than a few times live, and hearing it through the FIIL T1Xs, man, the clarity, like this is what I want from my headphones. I want that clarity that I can hear everything that's going on. I want to hear all the instruments. I want a really clean and vocal forward mid with a nice little sparkle on the high ends, and the bass to have just enough oomph. Just that, to get that good bass feel. I found myself falling in love with music that I've heard hundreds of times before, because it just felt like I was getting a new lease on listening to the music, and I just couldn't understand again how these headphones could cost so little and have such a big sound. Like, oh my goodness. Let's just take it to some woo, man. I got the hat on. It was raining outside, so I tossed this on. Let me go to Triumph. They got the HD Triumph. I need to hear that first verse from Inspector Deck and let y'all know exactly what I feel. I bomb atomically. Socrates' philosophies and hypotheses can't define how I be mocking these. Ooh, let's go. Yo, let's talk. I don't know. I've tried everything, man. I've been listening to a lot of the Hamilton soundtrack. Sounds phenomenal, man. I don't know if y'all into that like I'm into that. Man, I've been getting my K-pop on, Crush, Blackpink, little BTS in there, man. Sounds great. You're getting the big K-pop always has this big feeling to me where there's a lot of stuff going on. Same thing with their videos, and you're getting this big feeling where you're capturing all the instrumentations and everything going on. Is really nice. The one thing that holds these back from, being almost a perfect pair of listening headphones might be for some people who want a little bit more volume. Like, I didn't notice them getting really, really loud. Where I'm at in life, I'm not listening to music way too loud in my earbuds. That's just not what I'm doing. The ones that get louder don't sound anywhere close to this. Like, real talk, is not even close. Now, before I forget, I want to talk to you about the touch controls, because it's one of the most interesting schemes that I've seen on a pair of earbuds. Both earbuds, if you tap them twice, that will play and pause your music. On the right side, you can tap it once to switch songs forward, tap it 3 times to switch songs back. On the left side, you tap it once to turn the music up, and you tap it 3 times to turn the music down. Both of them have a way that you can access your assistant. I never use that because you could just say it. Now, they do have an app, and I have to say the app is pretty clean. You get in the app, you can change the EQ, you can change some of the settings, and you can do an update if there needs to be one. Now, I've said this in some of my videos, I don't really like going in there and EQing the sound. I want to hear the sound as the headphones come, because honestly, I think if it's a bad sound to begin with, you're really trying to fight to make it work. So if you have a good sound though, then if you want to go in and boost something or adjust something to your liking, I'm not mad at it. So what I did do on these is I went in and I used a little bit of the bass boost just to give me a little bit more, because I found that the bass was so controlled and so tight that I could push it a little bit further and not feel like I was getting that rattling, distorting bass sound. And so to wrap it up, the FIIL T1X under 50. If you've seen any other reviews, man, shout out to El Jefes, the Game Ski, my man Antoine. They've been saying that these are the truth. That ain't a flex, no cap. These are fire. These are off the, like, yo, at under $50, the sound is what's going to win you over. When you put these on, listen to your favorite music, the sound is going to blow you away. I said it. I'm gonna get up out of here. It's your Kinfo Dookie. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and never forget to holla at your boy.